Hey, this is Sam here from Kitchen Gadgets Club and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Well, I have some amazing news to share with you. It's all in this envelope here, and I've made you a new time and temp guide. It is amazing. I'm so excited to share it with you today. It's taken us a lot of testing. Everything in there has been triple tested and gone through recipe testers as well. And I just wanted to bring you this one because I know it's a particular kitchen gadget that you've all been struggling with as far as time and temps go. So, shall I reveal what's inside the envelope, shall I? Are you ready for this? Multicooker! Are you team multicooker? So this is the cooking guide based around different multi-cookers. So it includes, if you've got a Ninja Speedy, if you've got a Ninja Foodie, so that includes models from the 6-in-1 up to the 15-in-1, because we've also got the 15-in-1 in our kitchen. It also includes other things like it's got an air fryer section and a pressure cooker section. So you could use this alongside instant pots with air fryer lids, and so many other brands. So many of you have asked us for it, so here it is. And for chapters, what's different compared to just doing a pressure cooker one or an air fryer one, we also have steam air fry, steam roast, and also when is the best recipes to steam air fry, steam roast, and of course using the probe. If you want to grab yourself a copy of our multi-cooker time and temp guide, head over to kitchengadgetsclub.com and search multi-cooker, or just go to kitchengadgetsclub.com/books and you can find full details about it there. And I'm going to be sharing with you lots of great recipes you can do using this as your kitchen aid. So don't forget to go and pre-order yourself a copy of the complete multi-cooker cooking guide, your must-have cooking times guide for your fridge organised by function. Perfect for the Ninja Foodie, Instant Pot, Ninja Speedy and so many more. You can find it by going to kitchengadgetsclub.com/books, or if you're viewing this for a video, then check the link in the description.